Now, we were just telling you a little while ago about this teen who almost lost his job because of something nice that he was trying to do toward a police officer. And Audrey is sharing that story with us. A lot of people are apparently angry about what happened next, huh?
Oh yeah, definitely. So like we were saying, he works at the American Cookie Company and he was recently suspended, like you mentioned, for paying for an officer's brownie. But word got out, people forcing the company now to make a public apology. Now this all happened at the Great American Cookie location in the Katy Mills Mall right outside of Houston. Tammy Kurtz Randolph posted to Facebook about her son's ordeal. Now she said her son wanted to buy a brownie for this officer with his own money, but the family behind the officer got mad and asked if the teen would buy theirs too. The boy claims the man then started getting verbal, even wanted to attack him, tried to get physical behind the counter. Another employee was able to make him leave, but he threatened he was going to get him fired. Randolph says her son was called for a meeting the next day, and his bosses said upper management wanted him fired, but he saved his job because he thought he did nothing wrong, even gave him a raise and offered him a management position of his own. But then the following shift, that team was called back and told he would be suspended for a week. Now, this mom posted about the story. It's since gone viral with lots of people angry on how this all played out. Carissa posting, sad how companies stick to their customers always right beliefs. It's not always the case. Kudos to the huge-hearted employee and shame on the employer. Lisa saying, bet there are lots of companies that will jump at the chance to hire this young man. If he was here in SA, I would hire him on the spot. Nothing great American about the way the cookie company handled the situation. So these types of comments forcing Great American Cookie Company to respond. They said they apologized to the employee, said it was the events after the purchase that sparked the suspension, and they realized they were wrong, want to bring him back, but they say the employee and his mom have yet to respond to them. So I guess they're a little upset how
I imagine so.
Thing unfolded. It's weird. I grew up in that area and I used to go to Katy Mills all the time in that particular cookie store.
Yeah, I guess it's a popular one at most malls, but it's really how this whole thing unfolded that's so upsetting to people because, you know, he bought it with his own money.
Right. And he was doing something nice, you know. Anyway, all right. Thank you, Audrey.